Yes guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's Urbexing Yorkshire. We are in Rotherham today with Steffi, T420 Steffi, cooking Saz's way, T420 Tom and Explanation. We are at a place called CF Booth. It's a scrapyard. Now, we think there might be a way into the old Rotherham United football ground. So we're going to go in, check it out. If there is, there is. If there ain't, we'll make this a good little video for you guys as always. So we'll see you in there. Don't hang about, tell them to come on. Come on. Come on. This is a risky one, this is, guys. Very, very risky. Innit?
Urbexing Yorkshire.
Explanation. Sometimes you've just got to do this shit, haven't you? Old train. So we're on our way to the old Rotherham United Football Club and we've come across this. Oh shit, I've got grease all over my hands. Is that door open? Oh, go on, man, jump out that side. Yeah, go on. Can you get in that thing from here?
No.
Let's have a look.
Stuff is from there.
Easy. Oh shit, I saw a gate.
Them shut off.
Huh?
Them shut off.
The gate?
The gate.
It's been shut off.
Unless we walk over there. You know where this is here? I
Yeah.
thought that was the stairs, but obviously not.
Has it been sealed?
Just a brick wall, bro.
Oh,
The
shit.
stairs, mate.
It's been shut off apparently.
Yeah, there's a big drop there. Yeah, there is.
Big drop where?
Oh, that's worth seeing these trains anyway.
Should we go have a look at some more over here? at some more trains. Tom, jump in and have a look. We're walking up here. Eh? Eh? Come on, let's do it. So it turns out the entrance, or the old access point to Rotherham United football ground has been sealed off. I don't want to go around there because I can hear people working. Right, let's walk back down. I can hear people working round there. Ash! 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 Can't walk to the top, mate. There's fucking people working round there.
We walked past the water. Literally seen.
Did you say out to you?
I think he shouted.
Fucking got grease all over me, man.
See the state of stuff is top.
How's that happened? How's that happened?
On the train.
This has still got keys in it, man. Oh. Oh wow. Still got all keys in it. God, it's warm in here. Still got keys in it, that bruv. Fancy going for a drive? Can we not get in these? You're coming in. Oh shit. This is sick, is this, bro?
Driver's cabin.
We've literally driver's cabin, everything. Oh, this is quality. Come and take a seat, guys. Come and take a seat. Is this not the emptiest train you've ever seen, or what? You've got to thank me for all this, bro. Eh? You've got to thank me for this. You wouldn't even be in here now if I didn't have the cojones to come in.
Like sheep, mate, you follow.
Where are we going, lads?
Come on, mate.
We're going to Blackpool.
Tickets, please.
Tickets. Tickets and passes.
I'll be 14 years up there for scrap. Starts going on. it's in.
Fucking hell. Here. What's this, an old Sheffield like?
For London, I mean.
Have you got that stick on you? For my camera? Pick it back up, guys. There we go, guys, we're back. We are back and we're on a stick. Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! So this is the old Elizabeth line. We've got Reading, Langley, Heathrow Airport. Hey, this has come from London, this, mate. This train's come from London. Shit. Yeah, it's an old London train, guys. This is mental, is this. So, like I said, we're actually going to the old Rotherham Football Club, but there's actually no way in. Are they bullets? What the hell? There's actually no way in this way. Oh mate, they're bullets. Shit the bed. Check that out. Hold on. Grab it. Fucking bullets, mate. I wonder what they were. There's loads of them everywhere. Have you seen all bullets? Oh shit the bed, guys, look at this.
Oh, this makes me want to get out of there now.
This has turned into something completely different, this, guys.
I don't think they bullets, bro. They bolts have something.
Bolts? Look like bullets to me. So there we go, we've made it all the way to the other side of the train. So, whoa, shit, remember that bit? You can't get in there, look. Because it's a train driver's cockpit bit. Check this out. This is where they drive the train, mate. Tickets and passes, please. It's just absolutely mental. Mental is this, guys, mental. Right. I'm going to pick it back up, I'm going to walk back to over end now. Go find out where guys have gone. I think they're going to be getting back off this train. I'm leaving in a minute. Looks like a water balloon, doesn't it?
Yeah, I've got one of them now.
I used to have one, but got rid of it because when I got my pocket too.
Yeah. Floats don't it when it's in water.
What?
Floats when you drop it in water. That's the training graveyard.
So you reckon they're bolts then?
Yeah, kind of. But them ones got them little ones are blanks.
Bullets?
Bullets, yeah. You've got a little plastic cap on it, it's a blank.
Shit.
You know what they use for MOD and stuff.
Yeah, old London train, look. There we go.
It's mad.
London train in Rotherham.
Electric shock.
This is the
Got 4 gears.
this is the other cab, by the way. The other bit where you pedestrians can't go. This is the other side. All aboard! Someone there? Shit. See you later, guys. I'm gonna pick it back up, guys. So we're back outside now, and we're having to hide because there's people walking about now. Here, look what's happened to their jumpers as well. Look, check that out, guys. Check that out. Only two idiots here who go somewhere where there's oil. Wow.
Big up to Urbexing, Yorkshire, getting us in this place really. We just followed them like little sheep.
Yeah, it was me who said that. Fuck it, let's just do it and go in.
Bloke's right there.
What?
There's some bloke right there.
What, other side of the trail?
With a torch, metal torch.
There's a bloke around there with a metal torch.
Yeah, but no, that's one we walked past.
That's the one we walked past.
Yeah.
Should we get the fuck out of here, mate?
Should we just go?
Yeah.
He might be waiting for his boys. Let's just go, fuck it, come on.
Leave you at the back. You can do that.
I'll go back. Fucking run, mate. There we go. So we were half expecting to get at Rotherham United, the old football club. We ended up stumbling on what appears to be CF Booth Ltd. I think this is one of their sites as well. Yeah, CF Booth Ltd. So what I'll do, CF Booth, is I'll email you a clip of this video, and then you can sort of like raise your game a little bit on the security side of things, because we could have had motorway thing, mate. Oh, crazy. Guess the only thing to do now, guys, is to try and go get in Rotherham United. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
Completed it, mate.